And there you go. I just got it. Okay, I ordered 2 because if the first one did not fit, we got the second one. Okay, this is a huge ass box. Just to start off with. Here we go. We're going to unbox it. And then we're gonna test it out. Let's see what we get. Okay, knife. Let's see. Okay, and I got that. I have in my dryer, after washing with my machine, it still took like about an hour to dry. So we're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna get the 5 towels out of the dryer, put the same amount of soap into this one, put the same 5 towels, wash them, see if it's any good. But first I need to get this with it. There we go. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my god. Normally I do about 4 to 5 towels a day, so that is one of the reasons why I got this. This is nice. Water. It's kind of smaller than what I thought. I don't think my 5 towels are gonna fit in here. Here's the length. Instructions. We'll see what happens. We'll see what's up. Okay. See, they make it seem a lot bigger in on TV than what it actually is. Okay, let's get it out. Okay, let's see my towels. Just put them out, toss them in here. 2, 3. I don't think my 5 towels are gonna fit in here. 4. No, my towels will not fit in here. But what we can do instead of doing, we can do like 4 towels. Let's try that. Let's see how this works. Okay, let me just set it up and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. In here, I set it up on my toilet seat. Okay, here we go. In there. Okay, let me just put in the towels first. Right here, I have the same amount of soap and gel that I made. Same thing for the water. Once it's like about halfway through, I'll probably start adding the towels. Okay, towel number 1 going in. Towel number 2 going in. Okay, so far so good. We got 2 towels in there. Pretty good. Decent. Woo. me add more water in it before I add towel number 3. The whole point of this is I want to know if this is going to be like better, because I do love my machine. I do love it, but it's so big, and I want something smaller that can do the same. I mean, I don't make a lot of clothes. I mean, I do have 3 children, but to be running that big old machine, especially now the summer's coming, Okay, I'm gonna add towel number 3. So I think we can add towel number 3. Running pretty good. Oh, there's a little bit blue coming off. It's because I did tie-dye my towels. Well, not tie-dye, but I tie-dyed my towels for, you know, so they can look better, because they had bleach stains and stuff. So okay, I'm adding towel number 4 to the mixture. There we go. Towel number 4 is in. Wow. 4 towels go in pretty good. I don't think we've had any problem. I believe 5 towels would actually be able to fit in here, because it's me, my husband, and my 3 kids. So I do like it. I do like it a lot. So I'm gonna let this run for 15 minutes, and I'm gonna let it continue filling up with water. We'll just and I'll bring you back when it's time to throw out the water when it's done. But I do believe we could actually do fit the 5 towels. I still have a lot of space in there, and it's moving pretty good. I like it. Hey guys, I just wanted to bring you back that one thing I did started to notice. It started like throwing some of the water out of the machine. Like, I mean, it's still running. It's not on drain, and I left it with 4 towels. And so far, I think it's done a pretty good job. Let's just let it finish. But I did notice that it is, I don't know, throwing some water. Okay, now it's done. We're supposed to drain. You can hear it drain pretty fast. Like I said, all that blue is from the dye that I washed. I mean, I dyed my towels because they were all like different colors already. But so far, looks pretty good. Like it. Okay, I'm gonna, it's about almost done. Yeah, it's about done. Let's turn that, and we're gonna do a rinse cycle. Okay, so I set it all up. I connected my faucet to the water, right there. Connect it. We're gonna do a quick rinse cycle. I connected this to my toilet and we're hoping for the best and not something weird to happen. Okay. Okay. So I connected it to my faucet because I'm buying a trolley so I can put it here. This is the whole point to making small loads. You know, because I wash every day and I don't want to use my big wash machine. So we connected it. Water's coming out there. Nice and cold. Nice and cold water. Takes forever. I have my drain. And let's see what happens. Can I turn this on? I don't think it's ready to. Oh. Okay, well, it'll be filling up. I'll bring y'all back when it's almost time to rinse. Time to drain. Hey guys, okay. I do not know, but we do the draining thing here, and no drain. I mean, the water seems to go down from the tank. It's just that where is it going? It's not going into my toilet. I do not know where it's throwing it at, but it seems to be draining it from my tank. So that's kind of weird and awkward because I do see a whole bunch of water in my floor. So I want to say, to be able to use this, you're gonna have to level it out like in a toilet or something, because other than that, you're not going to be able to like drain at all. Not at all, because I am really trying my best here to drain it, but I have to. Oh my god, this is heavy. I should have left it up there. Here we go. Oh, okay, this is heavy for having water and stuff. Do not recommend to put it on the floor unless you're gonna have it outside and you're gonna be able to like drain it. I guess you're gonna have to put it somewhere. This is a lot heavier. Okay, so I put it up in my toilet. Push it back. That is, oh, that was heavy. Okay, if you have it in a dolly or something, it will not work. You have to have it like in a shower or somewhere for it can actually drain. Because if you have it on the floor with the hose in the toilet, the hose has to be like lowered, really lowered. There you go. It's draining. Oh, that was a wow. Okay. So much for attaching this thing for my sink, because oh, I can still use it. Okay, let me just rinse off. Okay, what is going on now? There we go. Let me rinse this off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do another rinse before I what do you call it, before, yeah, very disappointing on that, because I have bought a trolley to be able to like move it back and forth from one spot to another, you know, around my home. But it seems like I'm not going to be able to do that. It seems like I'm just going to, every time I use it, I'm gonna have to tug it over here to use it, because you have to put it on, like I said, inside your shower, your bathtub, or for me, on top of my toilet. It's the only way I'm gonna be able to use this. Oh, turn off the drain. Other than that, I was loving it. I was loving it a lot. Man, totally so not cool. Okay, well, let me give it another rinse and I'll bring you back in a bit. Okay? Okay, I'm done. Let's just drain it out and let's start with the spinning. Yay! Okay, one question. My spinner came with water. Brand new. It came with water. There's water down here. Do not know why, but oh well. Okay, so let's start off with, let's do, like I said, one at a time. Okay, maybe two. I think I can fit two in there. 2 towels. Okay. Here's the little spinny thing protector that you're supposed to put to even out. Okay, this is supposed to be wiggled a little bit. And not wiggle none. Put it for 5 minutes. That is awesome. I do like this. I like it a lot. Even though I have to do 2, which is fine. I knew that was gonna be up. But you're able to wash at least 5 decent sized towels. It didn't help that I had a beach towel, I had 3 regular towels, and my 5th towel was one of those huge body like towels. But if you have like decent sized towels, which is a normal size towels, I believe you can fit about 5 decent towels. So it's pretty decent. Okay, so now now I'm gonna see how long it takes in the dryer, because with my regular washing machine, my dryer, yes, I know it's old and I have a whole bunch of crap on top, but my dryer does take what was it, like an hour to dry all 5 towels. So I'm gonna try to see how much time this ones are gonna take to dry. So I'll bring you back. Okay, this is done. First 2 towels. Pretty cool. Let's just toss them in here to the dryer and get the second one. Toss it into the dryer. I guess what I'm gonna do is start off the dryer like I normally do. Normally I put it on normally I always put it 120, because this is off, and naturally when I put my clothes in, I just go in and let it run until it dries. I'm gonna put 30. Let's see if, yes, I have dryer balls in there, foil paper. It's supposed to help. We'll find out. Okay, second 2 towels. 1 going in, second going in. I'm gonna let this run the same exact way as the other one, 5 minutes. Put, okay, is there a right way or wrong way of putting this thing? I don't know. Okay, here we go. No shaking at all. gonna check out. Oh look, everything that comes out. That is a lot of water. Huh. Nice to know. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my second load, and I'm gonna see how much stuff I can put in there. Bring you back. Okay guys, this is normally what I wash. This is normally like two days of laundry. Like I said, I wash every 2 to 3 days. There is like 2 shirts for my son, 2 shirts of mine, maybe like 2 shirts of my baby, my little boy, and maybe like 2-3 shirts of my little girl, my princess. So imagine this tiny little laundry wash and that big machine. It's like, no, that is the reason why I bought this. Oh, forgot to wipe. I need to add soap. This is my own laundry soap that I do. You know, gotta be eco-friendly. It's pretty good. Like, it looks like it's washing pretty good. I am washing with cold water, so I don't know up to where should I add water. Like, should I add it all the way to the top? You know, because I mean, if you do it around there, I mean, I see that it's getting a pretty good workout. The clothes is getting pretty roughed out. You know, if we do up to there. And I believe that if we fill it up to the top, you know, the clothes might not get so much of a contact. So yeah, we'll probably do that. Okay, look at that. I just noticed my faucet has different settings. Ah, I did not know that. How we do? Okay, so we'll be back in a little bit. I'm just gonna let it there. We'll be back in 12 minutes. Totally forgot. Hey, totally forgot. This is out. 5 minutes is up. This is out. Totally forgot. Oh, okay. I'm like, what is that? It's wet water. But no, we're not adding more water. Okay, let's check out the towels. First one out. Shake it. And let's add it to the dryer. If this is going to give me like a faster drying time, that is going to be awesome. Normally I would dry my towels, but with my shirts, I believe I'm going to start hanging them. Like I said, it's summer. Summer just started. So we'll probably end up doing that. Now, this is my dirty, nasty clothes. Ew. That's a pretty good job. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. It just turned off. Let's say I'm gonna have to give it another 30 minutes. I guess drying time is probably gonna be the same. This is such a cute little wash machine. Okay. It's a cute, looks like a little toy. I bought this for my daughter. I'm trying to teach her how to wash clothes before she goes into that one. I bought this little one for her. You know, she's 9 years old, and I believe it is time to teach her how to do laundry. Isn't it cute? This is cute. The only thing is that you have to put it on top of the toilet for you can throw the water on the side. This is such a cute little wash machine. Okay. It's a cute, looks like a little toy. I bought this for my daughter. I'm trying to teach her how to wash clothes before she goes into that one. I bought this little one for her. You know, she's 9 years old, and I believe it is time to teach her how to do laundry. Isn't it cute? This is cute. The only thing is that you have to put it on top of the toilet for you can throw the water on the side. This is such a cute little wash machine. Okay. It's a cute, looks like a little toy. I bought this for my daughter. I'm trying to teach her how to wash clothes before she goes into that one. I bought this little one for her. You know, she's 9 years old, and I believe it is time to teach her how to do laundry. Isn't it cute? This is cute. The only thing is that you have to put it on top of the toilet for you can throw the water on the side. So at the end, it took a total of like almost the same amount of time to dry. To take off a lot of lint. I do like it. The one thing I do not like is that you have to put it up on a toilet to be able to drain it. That was like no for me. Other than that, I think it does a pretty good wash. The tub is pretty good. Like I said, you could probably do about 5 washes. You know, that is like a plus. I did like that. What I did not like was that, you have to put it up here. And that's not one. I mean, I bought a little trolley for I can move it around. But if I'm going to have to be chugging it up in the toilet, so whenever someone has to go to the bathroom while you're washing, they're going to have to like wait. It's not good. Like I said, the draining's pretty good. I already finished washing. It is pretty fast. It's already draining out everything. The little lint catchers right there. Let's see how much lint. This thing is so hard. Ugh. This is like one of the hardest things to do. Take it. Ugh. Oh wow. Got pretty good amount of lint in there. It's pretty good. So we're about to spin it, dry it. Overall, I do like it. I do not like that you have to put it up in a toilet. That's the only thing I do not like. Thanks for watching.